Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to delete your Spotify account permanently. So if you head over to your Spotify and from there to your settings, you will be able to see that you do not have any option to delete your account. So what you need to do is simply head over to your browser of your choice, and there you are going to be simply opening Spotify on your browser. So you can see we have spotify.com and you need to sign into your account, and now we need to head over to our settings. So here in the search bar we are going to be simply searching for delete. Here we have this option of closing your account or deleting your data. Simply click on that and scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have all this article to delete it. So you can simply head over to this particular link and then your account will be deleted. So you will just have to fill all of this information and just clear out this data, and that's how you can close your account and delete it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.